In this video, we will be showing you how to collect a soil sample and get it tested for Potato Cyst Nematode. The ideal time to collect a soil sample is before you crop the land, usually from September to March. Try to collect your soil sample on a dry day, as very wet conditions can affect the quality. In your sampling kit, you will receive one large plastic bag, one postage bag, one analysis form, one guidance sheet and a set of labels. One sampling kit can cover up to 1 hectare of land. If you need to test multiple hectares, you will need more sampling kits. You will need a corer to collect your soil. A cheese corer or a screw auger will work fine. It should be the diameter of 10 to 15 millimeters. Insert the corer into the depth of roughly 25 centimeters and twist it out. Remove the soil from the corer and place it into a large plastic bag provided. You will need to collect 49 cores in total. It's best to take this in a grid pattern so the whole hectare is sampled. Put 2 kilos of the soil into a plastic bag. Close this bag up. From your label set, attach the yellow sample label. Fill out the analysis form and place both the form and the soil-filled plastic bag into the large post-it bag. Finally, attach the blue return address label and drop it off at your nearest post office.